what are the options that can help in this situation?
The Baker Act allows families to place family members in a temporary detention center to be examined and treated for their mental illnesses. Suji Nam joining us now with more on this law and the number of Baker Act cases that have been reported in the Sunshine State. Suji?
Tiffany, well, according to the Florida Department of Children and Families, the number of Baker Act cases from 2019 to 2022 have decreased about 16%. Some mental health officials I talked to say an increase of resources that raise awareness about mental health have contributed to this decrease.
We see this as a medical crisis, much like a visit to the emergency department would be for a broken leg or after a car accident.
Officials with the Florida Behavioral Health Association break down the Baker Act and their criteria for a patient to be admitted under the act.
It sets up the criteria of when a person would be eligible for an involuntary examination. It sets the client rights while they're in that involuntary state.
Among various elements, the person must have a mental illness and there must be a situation of imminent danger.
It usually involves some kind of acts of self-harm or statements that people want to hurt themselves. And then professionals actually have to see the behavior and see it themselves.
According to the Florida Department of Children and Families, there were more than 170,000 involuntary Baker Act exams from 2021 to 2022.
They can be assessed right there by the mental health professional, and if they don't meet criteria, they would be released with referrals. They would never actually go on to a unit.
Officials say they believe resources like mobile service response teams in the community help to raise mental health awareness and help prevent the number of Baker Acts from rising.
There's a stigma around mental health and around the Baker Act, and that's unfortunate because it's in a safe and effective intervention, medically, that really protects individuals and really works to link them to the services that they need.